What's up, guys? It's Lincoln Empire here, coming at you with the 4th monitor, which is pretty dank. You're going to get a guaranteed exotic the first time you do it ever on that character, as well as a new emblem called the SIVA Solution, which is freaking awesome. So let's get into this. Alright, I'm taking 0-0. Yeah, I know. Got it. So guys, this is the first spot you're gonna go to. So it's section 2, canister 2. So this is canister 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very simple. And I'm inside 0, 0. Yeah. Oh, that's... Wait, this is... Crazy, come here. Crazy, we'll swap spots. I'll shoot where to go for you, and then I'll go to 0, 1, okay? Yeah, and I'm gonna shoot where I want, where they're like telling us to go, and then I'll go to 0, 1 and I'll come back. So just jump on the canister and shoot and nothing else. Alright. Supers. So guys, now I'm listening to them say a code for me, so this way I can tell my friends where to go, and then I'll go on mine. Crazy, what the hell are you doing? You jumped on so many... No, it's not the one... Crazy, you jumped on the wrong one and you went along like the middle. You have to jump along it like this. Oh, I went to the wrong one that time. This was the one you were supposed to go to. No, I shot the second to last. Right, so it's the back one. Now I'm kidding. Oh, okay, gotcha. Alright. I see what you're doing, Yeah. I got you now. Yeah, we're thinking of it as one then, is that what you're saying? Okay. I'm used to doing it with the 0. Alright, I got you. So crazy boy. Nice section. I'm up. So guys, when it lights up, it's gonna be like that. That's the wrong one, Exile. No, but Exile, it made the noise that it was wrong. That it was wrong. It made the nya noise. Yeah. Ha! Hello. Alright, guys. We're gonna try and figure this out. Can you please just do it with the 0? Cause you're confusing me. Okay, thank you. Okay, the back one. Yeah, me too. I got it. As you guys can see, mine lit up again, meaning I'm good. Exile's in the right one. So guys, you're gonna want to go to Dado's video on Outbreak Prime. Just look it up, and alright, 4th monitor is activated. So guys, all of the engrams that I'm getting are being stored, all of the exotic engrams that I'm getting are being stored in my vault. So this will be going in the, on the vault until my Titan. Yes, you can. Alright guys, just to start up this part, all you're gonna want to do is step on that. That's gonna be the end of this video.